Yakshagana is a holistic art form. I started learning Yakshagana at a very young age because I was born into the family of artists. My father, K. Mohan, started Yakshadegula 40 years ago with an interest to bring Yakshagana to urban population. 40 years of work behind him and 25 years of teaching us. It's been a great journey and it's made a much more and multi-fold impact on me. And that's when I realized I have the true calling towards this art form and hence started teaching Yakshagana. I think if I was not a teacher today, I would still be associated with performing artists and art forms. Probably would have been only a performer or working for an organization which works for performing art forms or uplifting and really preserving our art forms. My Yakshagana classes are usually fun because it's both of us are learning together. There's always we kind of co-create and try to design new things within the traditional art forms structure that has been framed. Yakshagana, or any other art form for that matter, helps a lot in building your personality, your life skills, which is the most important in today's time, and hence engaging yourself in performing art forms and more so some local art forms like Yakshagana would really help you groom yourself at a very young age. I'm Priyanka K. Mohan. Come learn with me at Openhouse.